So we have been spending a lot of time working on equations, and we are now going to transition into inequalities. Now, the process of solving inequalities are the same, but there is one specific difference, and that will be today's focus. So we're going to look at several different inequalities and pay very close attention to the patterns that you see, specifically when we go operation by operation. So we're going to go ahead and start with adding. So we see this inequality, and I see that it's -3, and I see this symbol here, and I know that this means less than, so we're going to write that down in our notes. -3 is less than 5, which we know is a true statement. Then the second column wants us to add 2 to both sides, because what we do on one side has to be done to the other. So -3 plus 2 is less than 5 plus 2. And I'm going to draw out my tic-tac-toe chart because I know that I have different signs here, and so I need to review how I deal with that. So a negative plus a positive tells me that I need to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. So that it would be a 3 is bigger, so my answer is a -1. Is less than 5 plus 2 is 7. So let me put that in our table. So is this a true statement? Is -1 less than 7? Yes, so I'm going to put T for true. So does the inequality symbol stay preserved or stay the same or reversed? Does it flip? Well, we didn't need to flip it. It actually stayed exactly the same and it was still a true statement. So we're going to write preserved. Okay, let's try one more before you try one on your own. So we're going to still deal with -3 is less than 5, but this time they want us to add -3 to both sides. So -3 plus -3 is less than 5 plus -3. So I know that -3 plus -3, the signs are the same, so I get to add them and keep the sign. So that would be a -6 is less than 5 plus -3, so the signs are different. So I know I have to subtract. 5 is bigger than 3, so it is a +2. We're going to go ahead and put that in our table. Is -6 less than 2? Yes, that is also true. Did we keep the sign, the inequality symbol, the same, or did we flip it? We kept it the same, so it was preserved. All right, you're going to try this row on your own.